Oh, the sun shines bright on my old Kentucky home. 'Tis summer, the children at play. The corn tops ripe and the meadows are in bloom, and the birds make music all the day. Weep no more, my ladies, oh, weep no more today. We will sing one song for my old Kentucky home, for my old Kentucky home, far away. Red, yellow, brown, black, or white, we're all precious in Jesus' sight. Get out and vote. Vote your hearts and vote your minds, but vote for godly principles. And thank you, Lord, for all of our freedoms that you've given us and that we've maintained through our articles, through our Constitution, and through our Bill of Rights. God bless you all. Vote today and vote your hearts and vote for godly principles. John Stephenson, former Superintendent of Education, Commonwealth of Kentucky. I love you all.